Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Spotify account on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into Spotify account, tap open your Spotify application from your app drawer, or if you've not downloaded it yet, make sure to download it from your app store. Once you tap on Spotify app, this is how it will look like. You can log into your account with your Facebook account, with your Google account, with your Apple account, or you can simply enter your email address and password to get access to your account. If you've not created an account yet, tap on sign up for free and follow the on-screen prompts to register yourself to a new account for Spotify. I'm going to choose the login button since I've signed up for my account using my email address and password. So once you tap on the login button, you'll end up in the login area. Enter your email or your username that is associated with Spotify. Make sure to enter the same credentials you created during the sign up process. Once you enter your username or your email address, enter your password on the next field. Make sure to enter your password correct. You can double check your password by tapping on the little eye icon in the right corner of the password box, which will help you reveal your password. You can also log in without password, but you'll need to go through email verification to log into your account if you choose the login without password option. Finally, after entering your credentials, tap the login button, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be logged into your Spotify app right away. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.